you're new, welcome. I'm Kristen, and tonight we're going to be making this Panda Chicken Plate. Alright, so to get this chicken ready, you just want to cut it up into bite-sized chunks. I seasoned my chicken with a little salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Cook your chicken on all sides, and when it's not pink anymore, go in and add you some of this Panda Teriyaki Sauce and let it cook out. If you don't like teriyaki sauce, you can use the sweet and sour or the orange chicken. It doesn't matter. Either one that you want, that's the one you want to put down in there. You want to make sure that you don't have your heat up too high when you're cooking this out. If you cut it up too high, it's going to start burning and then it's going to be ruined. Once it starts to look like this, cut it off and let's cook the veggies. If you prepped for this meal, then it's pretty much going to be a dump and cook meal. I added some black pepper and soy sauce and cooked that out until it was done. To cut my onions, I wanted them to be in large chunks, so for my onion, with the size that it was, I cut it in half and then cut it in half again. With the zucchini, I followed the same method of cut it in half and cut it in half until I got it all the way down to the size of the bite that I want. You're not going to need the whole green onion for this dish, but I went ahead and cut it all the way up. You do not want to skip out on topping it with the green onions because it adds so much additional flavor that just complements it so very well. Once you get your vegetables cooked down, you want to go in and add some minced garlic. Don't forget to keep flipping it and turning it because it will burn very, very easily. If you haven't already, head over to my Patreon, grab your download, get your groceries, and come back tomorrow. We're going to be going in easy for a Slaw Dawg. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.